somebody else.
Yeah, wrong person.
Possibly.
Must be communication.
Communication problems we got here.
Communication
Right.
error.
So we're going to talk about expressions and variables.
Waiting.
X
Don't look my eyes.
and
Asian eyes.
variables. Okay.
They have
You know what a
droopy eyes.
variable is. What is a variable? Doc. What's in a variable? What's a variable? Hello?
Doc, you got an answer.
Doc.
Doc,
Oh,
Awake
to Doc.
from your slumber.
save us, Doc.
Save us all.
Oh no,
Oh,
he
no.
died.
Doc's MIA.
I can't remember.
Oh
I'm
no,
sorry.
we lost a good soul.
Come back.
MIA.
He's dead now.
Alright, Arias.
He's dead now.
He's now unmuted his mic, but he is not spoken.
He's dead. He
Doc.
died.
No.
No, this is
I
a big
can't
set.
remember
Oh
the
my
variable.
goodness, he's
Who was
alive.
that?
Who's that?
That was my IT guy.
Is your IT guy?
You're it? He's your it?
That is I.
He's
Alright.
it? Wait.
Where's Doc?
Doc.
Doc, save us.
Yeah.
Hi. I don't know what a variable is. I can't
Oh,
remember
okay.
the whole.
All right.
Forgot what a variable is.
I don't know how to PNC is
I
though.
know what it is.
I already said
Vanessa, rescue Doc. What is our variable?
Can
I
I
got
remember?
it.
Ooh, I know what it is.
Vanessa,
I know what it is. I know what it is.
Someone save me.
I know what it is.
Vanessa,
Hi.
I know what it is.
Dino,
I
Dino, what's a variable?
A variable is a whole number.
No.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
A variable.
Anybody?
I know what a variable. I know. It's a letter that's it's a
It's an unknown
Thing
number
that stands
represented
in
by a
for a
number.
number.
A letter. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
An unknown number represented by a letter.
So why does that variable?
I think I must have forgot that.
unknown
I forget many
number
things.
Represented by a letter.
variable?
Over the course of years,
letter,
we've
right?
lost
By a letter.
tons of brain cells.
Yeah.
What is this?
Get dabbed on.
So, Doc, what's your favorite sport?
Mom? What are
Doc.
these?
I don't know if track and field classified as a sport.
You like
Doc, just play
football?
basketball, don't you?
Looks similar to your handwriting.
I like javelin.
Like
Nice
what?
back.
I like javelin.
Javelin?
It's not really a sport.
Javelin.
Talking
Or
about
track and
javelin.
field. Track and field.
Okay, track and field.
I hardly know any of these
The
people.
lap that you go around our
Whoa.
track and field. Each lap is how many feet?
What?
It's a
100?
mile.
What?
No, 4 of them is a mile.
100 feet? No.
It's quarter mile, right?
Unless
Yeah.
they're really
So,
tracks.
3,000
one
feet.
lap
4 of them
is
is
a
mine.
quarter of a mile.
So 25 feet?
So, Doc,
Nope.
if I went around 4 times, how far did I go?
A mile?
Whiteboard.
There you go. How'd you get that?
Because it's 1/4 of a mile and you go around 4 times.
And you multiply that.
Rose, is your name Doc? No.
And you did that.
Well, I don't care. He wasn't answering.
It's smart.
1 mile, correct? Is that right, Doc? What happens if I
Sorry, I can't
It's
tell
so
what
smart.
8
my
miles?
audio cut out.
8 laps. If I did 8 laps, Doc, how many miles?
2 miles.
2 miles, all right, 2, right? Because 4 laps is a mile.
Yep.
You did it 8
Oh,
times.
smile.
You do like that, right? So, this is what we call an expression. This is a numerical expression, okay? In other words, I'm using numbers only, and this is an expression, okay? 1/4 times 8. Okay, when I go ahead and simplify that, I get 2 miles. Okay, so that's what an expression is. Okay. If I want to use a variable, okay, so let's say that I went around the track, if I went around it t times, if I went around it t times, okay, I do not know how many miles that is. Okay, but I can
Some nice pages.
an expression by saying,
All right, I have a book.
say 1/4 times t is the expression. And if I multiply this out, I get t over 4. Okay, so this
Oh, come on, I wasn't reading this.
is called a what? Phelan. What is this called? Phelan? What is this called, Phelan? Are you alive? Is Phelan
think he's
alive?
dead.
Huh?
No, why did they die?
What is it,
What
Phelan?
is what?
What is this t called?
What is what?
The t here in this expression.
A variable?
It's a variable, correct?
A variable, man.
A variable, okay? So now it is not a numerical expression. It is an expression that has a variable in it. So we would call that a variable expression. So this here is now a variable expression because it includes a variable. Okay?
Sample expression.
So example 1, look at the books, page 5 example. Okay, by the way, who does not have a book here?
Number for each variable of
How many people are missing a book?
expression.
So
I
me
mean,
and
I have
Francesca.
mine.
I sent
Heavy book.
for her.
Book?
What?
Me and Francesca.
No.
We'll wait until we get something in, and I'll let you know when it comes in, okay? So, well, okay, where were we? Okay, let's go ahead and have Rose. Rose, go ahead and read example 1 for us.
Example 1,
Uh-huh. On page 5, bottom.
page 5.
What? Why are
Evaluate
these books so
expression
heavy?
4 times d when d equals 120 to find out how many tons of food a blue whale eats in a feeding season of 120 days.
Okay, so example 1, it says evaluate 4 times d when d is equal to 120. Okay, so we have, this is example 1.
What page are we on?
Okay, so what's really important
Alright.
is understanding
Yeah,
here is
what they said.
numerical expression or a variable expression. Anybody?
Variable expression.
This is a variable expression because it
has a
this
variable.
variable right here, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Big
So
book.
what does this mean? 4 times d. 4 is the daily intake of food for a blue whale. 4 tons a day. Okay. And this is the number of days, right? Isn't that what it's asking when d is equal to 120? 120 days. So we would evaluate this by doing this. Okay? The answer was 480. Any questions on that?
Come here. Come here. Look at me like that, man.
Move on. Example number 2. Example number 2 says, evaluate the expression when x equal to 10, y is equal to 4, and it gives us 2 different ones. So in example number 2,
What page are we on?
5.
5.
5.
page 6. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 4, and A, we want to evaluate x plus y. Okay, so we're going to evaluate this. Ryan. Ryan, do this for me.
Okay.
Evaluate, man.
Huh?
It sounds like they put the mic really close to your face.
Ryan, where are you?
I'm right here. So
Okay, evaluate it for me.
10 plus y is 4, so x plus y, x is 10, y is 4 equals 14.
10 plus 4 is 14. So where x is, I'm going to put the 10 in there, right here. And then where y is, I'm going to put the 4 in there. That's where that 4 came from. 10 plus 4 is 14. Good job. B is we want to evaluate x times y. X times y. And let's have Hua do this for us.
Oh, I don't have the book, but I can actually wait. I thought I had
Look at the board.
Yo, my book. Come on, bro.
What is x?
Oh, the book.
X is 4.
X is 10.
Oh, okay.
Y is
4.
4. So 4 times 10 is
40.
40.
Yes, sir.
Pretty simple. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Writing for variable expressions. Okay, that gives you there's a little table there. It is common words and phrases that indicate operations. Okay. Plus addition can be the plus or the sum of, increased by, total, and these following expressions, okay? So this is kind of handy table when you're doing word problems. Okay? So you could use that or refer to that when you're doing word problems if you get stuck. So let's do number 3. Let's see if we can do example number 3 together. Example number 3. You plan to divide the 120 players in a baseball league into teams with the same number of players. Use a verbal model to write the variable expression for the number of teams if you know the number of players on each team. Okay?
What?
So there are 120 players altogether, correct? 120 players. And we do not know how many players there are per team. Does anybody here play baseball?
No.
Yes,
Who said yes?
I did.
Who's-
Elijah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Me, Elijah.
Elijah.
Elijah. Okay, Elijah. So how many people are there on a baseball team?
120.
Huh?
You need 9 to fill a field, but you need 12 to play.
12 to play. Okay.
So but 9.
Okay, let's say that there are 12 people per team. Okay? So how many teams can we field here?
10.
10. And how did you get that?
Because 12 times 10 equals 120.
Or 120 divided by 12 is going to be 10, correct? So you're going to get 10 teams, right? What if I told you that you actually had to have 15 people per team?
That's a lot of people.
People. So then how would you do this? How many teams can you field? Anybody? Anybody tell me how many people I can field?
8 teams.
Okay, who was that?
Me.
Elijah.
Elijah again. So you divided by 15, correct? You get 18. That is correct. All right. Are there any questions on what we went through right here? No questions? All right. So let's go ahead and start working on the
I
homework.
wish I had a brain.
Okay. Start going and working on the homework. We have until 11:45. So you got like what, 20 minutes or so?
Yep.
20 minutes left. So I will be here. I will be here with you guys